There you go. There you go, little guy. Go, go.
And I put on my swimsuit, as you can see, because we're going swimming. So guys, so you might be wondering what's inside this box. So it's a bird. And the bird,
Why is the bird in there?
it was going like very fast over there and it crashed into our window. The window didn't shatter, at least.
Yeah, it was flying outside.
Yeah, and it landed on the concrete.
And it landed on the concrete and it really knocked itself out. So it's just now waking up. We put it, we did this so that way it doesn't end up flying throughout our house.
Then we have to go like
We're letting it wake up a little bit. And then once it wakes up a little bit, we'll put it back outside in nature. But we didn't want it to get hurt or eaten by something while it was wounded. So we're letting it get well here
It came out 30 kilometers
for a little bit. And then we are going to put it back outside where it belongs. Who made this cage?
Dad.
Dad. Okay, it's awake now, and it's doing a lot better. So now we're going to release it.
Sure.
It might fly on you when you release it. Be careful. You're going to knock the box off of the porch, Marisha. Open it away from you so it doesn't beat you. There you go. There you go, little guy. Go, go. And he's gone.
Now don't come back.
We saved him.
He's right there. Perched right up there.
Marisha, good job.
He's right perched up right there.
Yeah, let him.
Yeah, don't come back.
Let him heal there and not run into our windows anymore.
He came at like 30 kilometers.
Check out the round bread. What do we think of this? Interesting, huh?
I'm done with that.
All right, I've been having my dad's favorite for breakfast the last few days. I guess I'm missing him extra, so having some cocoa and some peanut butter toast. Lunch is served.
Today is Friday. It feels so good and I just showered. And I put on my swimsuit, as you can see, because we're going swimming.
Are you excited to go swimming?
Yes.
What are you going to do at the pool?
Learn how to swim.
Yeah. Elijah wants to take some
Swimming lessons.
swimming lessons. He's not too bad in the pool, but he still likes to wear his life jacket just to feel a little bit more confident. And so his brother and sister are very confident swimmers, and he would like to be one too. So we're going to check into getting some swimming lessons started for Elijah.
Yay!
Today is Friday, and the kids go to an online school based in the U.S. while we're living here in Uganda. At least that's our current schooling situation for them. With that being said, school started in early August for them and runs likely until May or beginning of June. So if they were still in the United States, they would be having what is called fall break here pretty quickly, which means they're about halfway through the school term, and the term will end before the holiday season. So the kids have been doing extremely well with this schooling. We weren't sure what to make of doing online school from home, and I will tell you, they've done far better than we ever imagined. And so today we want to reward them for getting to their midterms. They all have A's in all of their classes and have done extremely well. And so They are rushing to get through kind of the bare minimum of school that they have to get done today. Today's Friday, and then we are going to take them swimming. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on just a slight bit of makeup and some sunscreen, and then we are gonna head that way here shortly.
Hello guys, I'm still around. I'm halfway through the semester and you haven't really seen me in the videos because I've been doing a lot of my head has been in books all the time. Plus I'm taking a lot of honors classes and plus learning a new language, which is just taking forever and it's very tiring. But so far I've been doing very well. I have all A's in my classes, so I'm passing. And the classes are really fun too, so even though they're hard, but they're very good. So, now I'm in the video because we're going to be celebrating. So I'm excited. We're going to go swimming. It's going to be fun. Hey.
What do you think, sis?
Cold.
You can do it. Your brother wants to help you by splashing you. Elijah, she said no thank you. You leave your sissy alone. Eli wants so badly to learn how to swim, so he took his life jacket off and his sister says she's going to help him practice the doggy paddle. We see how that goes.
I'm trying to find a dog. Look at me.
Can you do like that, like a dolphin?
We're having fun swimming.
Eli is relaxing a little bit now here on the chair while the others are still swimming. We just ordered some lunch. Zeke's living the life. He's got the pool all to himself. Kids are swimming and I'm reading my book on my Kindle. Not a bad way to spend an afternoon. Having some lunch.
Huh?
How is it?
Alright.
Elijah, how is it? You were so hungry. Is it good?
Yes.
Marisha? Good?
Can I have a chicken?
A chicken pizza? That's chicken one right there. We have a chicken pizza and a veggie pizza.
What is that?
Doing some construction.
hairspray.
Yep.
Can you pass me a veggie?
I guess we were hungry, huh?
The veggie is
Here goes Susie. Which one's better, chicken or veggie?
I haven't tried it.
You haven't tried it yet?
I know. They're almost the same. That one just has chicken. That's the only difference.
Yeah, that's what I figured. But Elijah said the chicken is way better, yeah?
We all like chicken.
Because you like chicken. So we were debating whether to get the medium pizza or the large pizza. But I'm guessing getting the large was the right choice, huh? We cleaned house on these pizzas.
Wait, I have a spider. I have an idea.
And so we had fun swimming. Now we're heading home.
Alright everybody, I hope you enjoyed spending the last couple of days with us, celebrating how well the kids are doing at school today. So, kids are tired from an afternoon of swimming. We're on our way home. So we're gonna leave it here. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.